Assalamualaikum viewers. What I have today is a combination of wide angle and macro lens which you can use in your mobile photography or videography. It's their logo and it's the branding of a well-known brand in India named Skyvik. Here is also their branding and also written here 2-in-1 clip on lens kit. Now let's open the box. Here is a well designed and a good looking premium zip box, also written here Skyvik. Yeah, it's looking good, not bad. Here is some of their documentation. Wow, Skyvik is telling you guys thank you. You are most welcome. And here is a like button that written hi there something else. And here is some of their product information. Now let's unzip this box. Here we have the lens box unzipped. Here is the lens and here is a hook to carry your lens box by this one. And here is a clip to attach to your lens with your phone. Here is a cleaning cloth that's made with microfiber, also their brand logo. And here we have the lens. Let's open this cover. Here is the lens. Wow, looking good. Here is their brand name Skyvik, and also written here 0.45x wide angle lens with 15x macro. Wow, good, not bad. One thing I'm realizing right now that it's totally built with metal, something like steel, and it's with a very high weight. I don't know how our phone will manage this weight balance of this lens with our phone. As you know that here is two lenses, and first this lens is macro lens and this one is our wide angle lens. Now let's open this macro lens with anti-clockwise direction. Yeah, here is the macro lens and this one is wide angle lens. Now let's attach this lens with our phone by this clip, and also let's have some sample about this lens, how it works and what is this. One important thing that I want to inform you, if your phone have double cam, triple cam or quad cam, you just put a finger on your every single camera port and then you will realize that which is your real camera port and on which camera port your lens have to put. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe. As you see that it's the frame and I'm gonna attach the lens with my phone very carefully with a proper position to have a great and good view. As you see that the frame is got very wide, and if I just remove the lens you will have the original frame, original subject. Yeah, here is the original frame and here's the frame after attaching the lens. Now let's check with another frame attaching the lens. Yeah, as you see that here is two houses are in a distance with my phone that you are realizing. Just remind the distance. Now let's remove the lens and two houses are in very closer, and it's the change of using artificial wide angle lens with your phone. But no, another major thing that I'm gonna inform you right now, phone that I'm using right now is with the ultra wide angle lens. It's of a quad cam and here is the view. Now let's attach our lens and now let's check the change of using this artificial lens. Oh no, as you are watching, it's not working good. It's just cropping with a round shape and we are having a round shaped view. But wait, here is another logic to use an artificial lens. I always use this 4.3 ratio to get a 64 megapixel photo. Now let's click this lens with your phone, and now let's click a photo to check its size and its resolution. As you see that we have clicked a photo of 40.73 megabyte and 9248 into 6936 resolution without losing any details. Now let me click a photo using my phone's ultra wide angle lens and without using this artificial lens. Here is my phone's wide angle lens and I have clicked this photo of 2.04 megabyte and 3264 into 1836 resolution. And it's only the difference between and the logic of using artificial lens with phone. Now let's remove the wide angle lens to have the experience of macro lens. but because of having high weight, it's getting a little bit trouble to carry with phone. As you see that our 15x macro lens is working very good, it's performing well with a deep details and a sharp view. So you can enjoy with both two lenses like macro lens and this wide angle lens for your videography and also your photography with your mobile camera only. That's all for today. That was the experience of using macro lens and wide angle lens of Skyvik. What I think both lenses were performing well and I appreciate it. And now describe your opinion on comment box. What do you think about this? Thank you so much dear viewers for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel Skyvik to inspire me, as I believe that your subscribe is a mountain of inspiration for me. Let's meet in next video and be safe.